Malicious, meaning intending to harm or cause suffering to others. The malicious rumors spread by the gossip cause unnecessary distress. Nostalgia, meaning a sentimental longing for the past or fond memories. Looking at old photographs brought a wave of nostalgia for their childhood days. Obliterate, meaning to destroy completely, to wipe out. The earthquake seemed to obliterate the entire village. Palpable, meaning capable of being touched, felt, or perceived. The tension in the room was so palpable that you could almost feel it. Quell, meaning to suppress or put an end to a rebellion, protest, or disturbance. The police were called in to quell the unruly crowd. Rhetoric, meaning the art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. The politicians' use of rhetoric captivated the audience during the campaign. Scrutinize, meaning to examine or inspect closely and critically. The editor will scrutinize the manuscript for any errors before publication. Transient, meaning lasting only for a short time, temporary. The joy of winning was transient, fading quickly in the face of disappointment. Unanimous, meaning fully in agreement, having the same opinion or feeling. The committee reached an unanimous decision on the new policy. Validate, meaning to confirm the accuracy, legitimacy, or worth of something. The experiment's successful results served to validate the scientist's theory. Wane, meaning to decrease gradually in intensity or size. The moon's glow began to wane as the night progressed. Xenophile, meaning a person who is attracted to foreign cultures or people from other countries. She was known for her curiosity about diverse cultures, and was often called a xenophile. Yield, meaning to produce or provide as a result. The hard work and dedication of the team will yield positive outcomes. Zest, meaning enthusiasm or energy for an activity or situation. She tackled every challenge with zest and determination. Alleviate, meaning to make a situation or condition less severe or painful. The medication helped alleviate the symptoms of the flu. Benevolent, meaning kind and generous in intention or action. The benevolent stranger offered food and shelter to the homeless person. Collaborate, meaning to work together with others on a project or task. The students collaborated on a group presentation about climate change. Diverse, meaning having a variety of different forms or components. The city's population is diverse, representing people from various cultural backgrounds. Elusive, meaning difficult to catch, find, or achieve. The solution to the puzzle remained elusive despite hours of searching. Fluctuate, meaning to vary or change irregularly in amount, level, or intensity. The prices of the stock market can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. Gratitude, meaning a feeling of thankfulness and appreciation. She expressed her gratitude to her teachers for their guidance and support.